Christian and Elijah. We are in kayaks on the Cass River.
We just got these. We're trying them out.
Elijah's about to hit these rapids, guys. He's gone. I can't see him. Oh, there he is. We're going down the river and there's this weird stuff in the water. Should we go get it?
It's a bag!
And help the environment?
It's a freaking bag! No,
alright, we're gonna go get it.
I'm joking, guys. I love the planet. Save the earth.
Elijah is about to noodle whatever he can catch. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna wait for the current to push me back. Let's see if you can get anything noodling.
Under the log. Dude, stop!
You guys think there's anything under there?
I can't even get
It's the wind.
Let's see.
Ouch! Look, I think I see a turtle right there. That's a little turtle head right there. Right in that spot. Right there. That is a full-on turtle. Might be a dangerous one.
Want to go get it?
I'm sure the viewers want you to.
Alright, guys. I'll prove to you.
Alright, we're just gonna leave the turtle.
Because the current won't allow.
We're going down the river and bang, we find this rock with some chocolate on it. Look, there's some nice chocolate on there. Watch your fingers, man. Elijah, that's someone's property. Elijah, that is someone's property. You need to get out now. Look at this nice little creek. Feeds right in. Gotta get a nice tan while you're out here too, guys.
I'm gonna catch a crawdad.
Hurry up, I'm drifting away.
A minnow.
Sure.
This one. What is that? Oh my gosh, guys. It's an actual worm.
Show it up.
I'm gonna save this guy's life.
Alright, let's move. We all want to see him fall. I know. Well, that stinks. Some fast-moving water right here. A big rock. Down there, a blue jay just dove into the water for something. The cave. Look, guys. That's where we sleep.
That's where we will make camp for tonight. I'm joking.
Yeah, alright. Let's make camp. We'll sleep there tonight. We'll pick back up in the morning.
We can have raw bunny.
Alright guys, we're back out the next day. We definitely spent the night in there. It was cold. It was raining. But it's alright. We made it. That was a good little hut for the night. To help the environment even more today, there's a water bottle over there. Guys, he went back for it. Okay guys, snack time.
Capri Sun.
That's
Strawberry
this
kiwi,
is completely melted.
No, guys, there's a rule of the cast. You take a product of garbage out,
No,
and you
stop.
can leave.
No,
I'm joking,
no,
I'm joking,
no.
I'm joking.
Elijah, give me your cookies.
No.
Yes.
I mean,
Guys, shouldn't Elijah give me his cookies? Oh, wrong facing camera. What kind of track?
Those right there,
Are
you can see how they...
wolf tracks.
No, you can see how they go up on the bank. That's either a muskrat or an otter. It's probably an otter.
Or a dinosaur, right?
No, it's an otter or a muskrat.
That's what they
can
want
see
you to
how it goes up
think.
and then it like either crawls down here, it probably went up here, ate its fish or whatever, and then came back down. That's cool. Cool find.
Guys, Elijah thinks he can stand up. He's stupid. Sing a song.
What song?
I don't care.
Tell me.
Nope.
My best one is Jesus Loves Little Children. Ready?
Go for it.
Jesus loves little children. All of the children of the world.
All right, that's enough. There is a bunch of clams over here.
Yeah, that doesn't just happen. That had to be food.
Some more shells over there, guys. Boom! That's awesome.
Is it videoing right now?
I don't know. You tell me. The chest cam. Is it filming you?
I don't know.
Wow. No. Hurry up, I'm drifting away. Go.
So I went down the stream back there, and this was the garbage piece of water bottle, and I used my crackers to bring in the minnows, and then I caught some. Can you see those?
Kinda.
I'm gonna let them go. Well, you have to film the release. Goodbye, little fellows.
How'd you get them in the water bottle?
Oh, I caught them with the net and then picked them up. Go on out, little guys. See, there they go. And they're all gone. DIY.
It is really windy. It is really windy. And it is really hard to paddle in this spot. I don't know if you can read that, but it says 4 miles to Frankenmuth.
I think this is called like a weeping willow tree because the branches look like tears. I'm joking.
Sure. Beaver, guys. There's a beaver swimming across. Beaver swimming across the river. Alright guys, we're coming to the near end to our kayak trip. But hey, what is that? Listen, listen. Guys, we have been going for 3 hours. We started at 1, it's like 4 right now. We are dying. The wind is flying at us. We're trying to go downstream, but it feels like we're going upstream. Oh, this is horrible. Oh yeah, let's go. First try.
Ow!
We finally made it back to Frankenmuth, guys. That was crazy. The wind just made it super hard.
So we got back just now. It took us about 3 hours and 30 minutes. And Christian's spasming, but I'm not because I stuck my feet and stuff in to numb myself. So
It's freezing.
it's freezing, but it was worth it. It was cool. Thanks for watching.
Ouch. Yeah.
Duck-billed platypus!
Really?
No, those are only in Australia.
Guys, Elijah wants to try to get for some tree roots. So, I don't know.
He went up in there. He went up there. Come on, little guy.
being blown away, and your kayak is too. No, it's gone.
Hold it, stupid. Hold it.
I can't.
Come out.
He's not out. He's in deep. Now get on your kayak. It's going away.
Oh!